Yeah man, this is Public Report checking in, and guess what now? We have Badman'S Girl part 1, part 2 and part 3 for the newcomers. Them what just to get used to the whole thing. Cause them a try to find 2 and you know what I mean, them see 1 and then I find 2 and then I find 3. So I put it in a one place where they can actually get it and enjoy. Big up the whole team, Richard Brown Films, you know what I mean, Paradise Nation, Candy Empress, you know what I mean, Public Report, you know what I mean, Portland. You don't know anything, just check it out. You know what I mean? There's something I have to check out. Portland 876. That's where you go? Yeah. So you are going now. This is just for the people who, you know what I mean, just bringing it up to speed. Cause I don't know, so family I get bigger. 17,000. Eh? Can you imagine? Hey, we have a camera, we have things. So we just move forward, and thank you to everybody who has shared, like, or just subscribe, and who had contributed to get, you know, the camera. You see how fast we show them? Yeah. Bless upon yourself, you know what I mean? Cause guess what now? I come closer if I see. I guess I think that, you know what I mean? One family. Soon we have to go to Port and go shoot some stuff, cause you know what I mean? This up, you know, the family has stretched go. So bless upon yourself, enjoy Badman'S Girl 1, 2, and 3. Alright? Oh! You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone, but happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah, only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Badman'S Girl. Badman'S Girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Badman'S Girl. Badman'S Girl. Badman'S Girl. Her friends, her family praise for her daily.
How you doing?
I'm good, just sucking off fire road.
You look tired. What can I get you?
Campari and soda. Alright, come with it. So you good?
Yeah, man. Yeah, come back. You good?
Say eat already?
You don't see the food on the fan?
No man, I can probably blow me off the other way now.
Stop it now, sure. You want to lay down? Put this somewhere over there, man.
Afraid I
No, I'm not afraid of it, but I tell us so you need to watch what you do. Come. I'm gonna make you some, I'm gonna set your water, alright? You want me to turn it on?
want you to turn me on.
But soon come, I gotta check the meat on the fire. They're too rude sometimes.
Come sit down here, sir.
You see how I forgot the room?
Things that get sticky in the street, you know. I know your safety is my number one priority because it's precious to me. And people know say I'm near you. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
People know say I'm near you. And I have to look out for you. When I'm there around you, I don't see street not upon my mind, I feel comfortable. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
But I just want to ensure say you remember the code. So you remember the code?
Yeah.
So if I call the phone and say, honey, where you supposed to go?
Grab the gun and come to the front of the door, come and know if I will kill somebody.
And if I say, babe,
Answer in a male voice and say it's a wrong number.
what's the male voice?
Oh.
You see you, what if I call the first name, what if it?
Pack up my things and go my people them come and know it's the trouble they there.
You're smart. And if I say hello,
Means I can talk freely. It's all good, man.
or yourself, man, I have something for you to speak freely, man.
You speaking my language now. Because you know I've been home all day. Yes, so don't worry yourself, man, because you know I got you covered. You know,
Alright, so,
I'm your OG.
so you're my one now. There are some things that come up where I don't want to lay low for a bit. Alright? Big money a drop, man. So don't worry yourself. When you drop, I'll take you out of this place to get a nice apartment. Upper Jackson, upper phone that. Upper Jackson. You understand? Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, it's all good. So stop it now, sure. You love play, and all the time we need to play. Because this sounds like a serious matter we are dealing with right now. So you sure say everything all good because my day here so with day here in the apartment and me hold everything down and everything nice and so on. The only time me we have one little friend come link me, my one little girlfriend we know already, and we go out and go have a drink and so on. Make sure everything will go alright. Make sure.
Don't worry yourself, man. You're good, man. I got you covered. Here?
Okay. I'm going to share dinner now so you can eat, bathe and go touch the road.
Panso.
Me.
Yeah. Are you me a chat too? Where time for look for me suffer? A long time man see one joke in here, you know.
Why?
Why?
Me know you?
You don't have to know me.
So me just a come from church and they pass by. Me not even did to say a pass. And you
Never.
stop me and they tell me say you want to for me eye. So what me do to you?
I see all you. You're going like you're a Christian. Me know you're a bad girl in the back in the days, you know. Don't look for me, so. And one thing, give me the bag, yeah. Take off the bag, give me. Give me the bag, yeah, man. Do road. Do road.
Hello? Yeah, Faith?
Yeah, man. Michelle, imagine me I come from church and this girl just walk up and a bad me up and take away all my handbag.
What is it?
Yeah, she gone with it. Me no know her from nowhere. She just walk up to me and talk to me one kind of way and tell me to give her my bag. She'll kick me too. Me give her it. Never see her before, but if me see her again, me know see her she. Cause me make sure I mark her face good.
No, man, this I get serious. Look, where you at?
Why you come and me get to talk to you? Cause you don't want me bag.
Me I put on my clothes. Me I go put on my, not even I go change my clothes. Me I come right now. Right now me I come.
Alright.
Evening, where's that?
Michelle, you know say at church me they come from, as me tell you before. This girl just walk up and insult me and take away me good handbag when me I walk with, you know. For no reason. Me no know her from nowhere. I swear me never see her before.
I did that girl there go dead.
No.
No, I did she go dead. I did she for dead. Me tired for you make people a walk over, you know. Your footstool, your doormat.
Michelle, I call you to tell you because me your friend. Me no want you call your bad man and tell him no cause me know how he stay, you know. Do not tell him. And you see the violence, I want you come out of it. I don't want you stay in the violence. Cause it's not nice. I don't want nobody do you nothing and I don't want you go to jail. Much less worse at in prison. So just cool out the violence. You know say you can come to church with me on Sunday night?
Me? No worry about me alright. You don't have to worry about me. Me well governed, me well protected. Me can fight my battles myself. I don't need to go to church. Church can't save me at the end of the day. That the girl there, me have to do something to her. Just watch. You have to talk about.
Michelle, a long time I know you. And me know say me a the bad girl, but me no bad like you. I try to change my life right now. That's why me gone in a church.
Yeah, you can change your life. Me young, me have time to change my life. You don't worry about that. But as for that girl there, me gonna mash her up.
I call you just to talk to you. Me not really want no bad vibes, but me just a show you what go down tonight with me. You understand? But anyway, come on.
Yeah, come me come carry her home because me not. How much I fuck? What's she there? What's your name? Where she come from?
Me no know what she name, but you see the street where me did upon when me a come from church. She go so and me come so. You understand? So I me no know her neither, but me, anyway me see her, me can show you her. But to the way you behave, me no want to show
No,
you
man,
her.
you can't show me.
Come on,
No,
cause you look
no,
like
no.
all
Me
rain
just want to
and
see and
this.
talk to her. Me just want to see her and talk to her.
Hello?
Hello, babe. You alright?
Yeah.
Quick question. Um, where did you leave the tools?
I mean,
Because I was cleaning today and I didn't see it in the usual spot. So, I'm saying, where could it be? Because, you can't take no check these days and so on.
you know see it in the dresser? You look underneath the drawer, the second drawer.
Alright. So if I don't see it there, I should check the drawer. In the top left hand corner? Alright, no problem. No man, I'm just checking up on it. Make sure you're okay, alright? Watch your back. I love you too. Alright. Okay, babe, never mind. No, yeah, don't worry about that. Oh.
Anything to make it right. Now she is like your shadow. Badman's Girl. Badman's Girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Badman's Girl. Badman's Girl. Badman's Girl. Her friends, her family prays for her daily.
don't catch the girl.
Brittany, me no beg you for no go. Me just want to show you say she take with my bag.
So me not fit defend it. You can't stay there make people walk over you. Me now go alive. As long as me alive, you all now go walk over you.
Brittany, make she go on. No matter when you see her again, no matter with the argument and no war with her. You know to say she a coward. Come on, if she did brave, she just stand up and fight you. But me know you can beat her. Come on.
Curse are the peacemakers because them are go dead early.
Brittany, you pray for me, Dad?
Then I go. Me angry. I'm not catch her.
Make a girl go on about her.
You can't make she go on. You know what? Me I'll make she go on. Come.
Young boss, you think good?
But I sneak up on us.
No, boss, you don't know say a fair thing this. You can sit down?
So, man.
No far as I come from, bossy.
Jano, respect, man. Respect. Everything good?
Yeah, man, you're a bossy street. Love you, you know. I tell you, the street still have your name and say you're the baddest thing right now. Nobody can really say, you know what I mean, no disrespectful thing, because you're the man. You know what I mean? I mean, I'm one of those still have my little job, because that far I come from, and a few little thing that, you know what I mean, someone test it, and, just involved in the business. See?
No worries, son, man. Everything good, man. I'm gonna say I'm mean go on the streets.
That me as a father.
Is it me? You're good, man. Keep your fist, man.
Alright, boss.
Hello?
You don't know what happened to me a while ago. Now one brown girl and one rasta lady a run me down. For me don't know about.
Hold on. Two girls are running down.
You know, say I want to help me with the situation and because I have an idea which part the rasta lady live, you know. Yeah, me I go get 2 pictures and send you it, make you see.
Alright, here what you do. Send me a picture of the person. Right now, because I don't want a girl or boy feel like you can ramp with it. You see me? Right, mama, right now, because yo. Me get it done, man. Me get it done. Here? I'm call 2 niggas to send them over there right now, too. Because I'm in a joke. You know what I'm saying?
Alright. Oh, God.
Yo. Let me please.
Yes, boss. So, boss, just checking weed and make sure everything alright. Yeah, boss. Respect.
Michelle, you know the church nice. You see how long me they invite you to come to church down to enjoy the service.
It is nice, yes.
You can come back again, you know?
You come back.
Cause girl, when me go to church, me go figure worship God. I mean, God go bless me with one good husband.
You have man already, so I don't need no blessing again.
Okay. Yeah?
You're here, right?
What you say? You don't need no blessing again?
No, me mean with man. Me mean with man. Man me
Me want blessing every day of my life.
No, me mean with man. Me and my man good, you know.
Okay.
Money around and everything. I like the lifestyle.
Michelle,
Mm-hmm.
yes, when me tell you, say, see the girl that will take with me bag. Me not expect say I go run across the road, you know, suppose I didn't make something lick you.
Nothing now lick me. You know, so me get up. Nothing can do me. I'm well covered.
Get up. Michelle, I wish God you are serve about your God. Oh.
The same one where you are served.
You not get no God like that there in a church when me go. I got me go for worship. Me no want you for there in no bad company, you know. Me know you for a long time with the dirty ways them and walk and fight people. Me never tell you to go fight the girl. Me just show you her. The girl take my bag and run gone with it. Me just show you cause me your friend. Who the person who take my bag?
Exactly. So you a simpleton. So me and you are friends. So me have to defend you because you don't have nobody to defend you. When the girl did grab you, when God did they fi take back your bag from her?
No, do that. When you talk them kind of conversation that don't involve God in it. Them the argument there. Make sure you way they do when you call God name. You hear me I say? You need Michelle. Me tell you over and over, you need to come to church often, you know, and get some prayer. Because what that you talk about and they call God name in it?
Well, see me come at church. You invite me at church this evening and me come. So
yeah, but
stop
it don't
making
look like you change and you don't know difference is the same person. When you go in a church, you're going there to change. Just so you're going there so you come out back. If you stop your war thing, man.
Change come gradual.
If me did want to push this now further, you know, mother got police station go report the girl, you know, because she can't hide me, you know. Me see her face and me did mark her, although me never see her before. But when she take on my bag, me mark her face.
Police stop work, a jungle justice. A girl lick you not go lick her back, so me will lick her for you. Because you don't have no hand. Your hand did left push part of regional where it banned.
It look like me have to go care go church morning, noon, and night if it's possible. Because this a dope here. Or demon or spirit, whatever they want to call it in here, look like he's stubborn bad. And it don't look like a no woman up in here, one man up in here, you need to come back to church.
I saw you go. See, hello? Yeah man, come see. So babe just call me. I could just wrap up this and go home. Because I can't do it in your church argument. I come today and I'll come tomorrow and come after that. Come.
Man, as I respect my boss. Alright, you are going now. Just come check in, come here, tell you, say, we really want to be a part of the business. You know what I mean? I don't know if you can involve, or how you can involve me. You're busy, you know, you forget. And you know what I mean? Just start check other people and you know what I mean? Because right now some food I really want because I have some situation I deal with. I pick me one go to university, all these things. But it now work out to the way I want. So I don't know if you can help me out because right now, you know what I mean? I just start work. If I know some I work, I have a different mentality. But if I not work, it makes kind of different. You know what I mean? I know say you're king in the street.
Don't run up on me so next time, I hear that. And my thing is not no play thing where you come forward, come join what? Eh? What you know about my thing? I was you tell about this. Eh? You think a play thing and everybody can just come in so? Eh?
Your name big in the street, man.
My name big in the street?
Yeah.
That a for the street, not for everybody. Yeah? The street and not for everybody here. Arm tail. My thing arm tail. Lift up your answer to me.
So you know work out?
Work out what?
Alright, you are going, don't move. You hear me I say now? See? We need some cash right now. I don't tell some of my youth in the university and I have to get some cash today. So I don't know if you have money for in a vehicle or in a house. So make a choice. How you go?
We can deal with this.
No, we can't deal with it no way. So tell me how you go.
Alright, listen to me now.
Yeah, where you say?
Just find that out. Find
Find
something to talk to you, man.
No, don't feel more safe for this. Because you can't do anything at the time.
My girlfriend have the money. I'm just call her.
Your girlfriend have money?
Yeah. Me not have no money for me. I see it. Me not have no money. I just the key.
So you call her?
I'm just call her and tell her. She upstairs.
She upstairs?
Yeah.
Alright, call her then now. So you call her girlfriend right now?
Hello?
Honey?
Why are you calling me honey? Oh, honey. Oh.
Yes, I come in at the door. You have, yes. I need some money. Yeah, man.
Alright. Okay, you downstairs. Okay, I come in.
Yeah, man. Just...
Make sure you say a joke thing.
Yeah, man. Good. Just find that out for me, man. Just...
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You see, right now, I can't trust nothing in them, man. So just make sure you say money in that place there.
Everything
Everything in that place there.
is there.
Alright. Call it honey.
Honey? Yeah, so tell me how much. So may I tell about babes? Tell about the code. Right now my leak out, you know.
Make sure I'm dead.
Tisha, can I talk to you 10 minutes, please?
What, kuya? You make me run me down another day. You promise so?
Tisha, I not come see you and no quarreling with you. I not come to fight you. Nothing like that. You see my bag where they take away? I have whole heap of important documents in there, especially my ID, my passport in there, my driver's license, TRN, NIS, everything. And right now, I have family who send money come give me a MoneyGram and I can't even collect it. And then not send it to nobody else.
I know my business that.
Please, me go want my ID.
Me dash with the bag.
You can tell me where you throw the bag, please, because I really need my ID. They're important to me. I can't do nothing without my ID.
And Maros, me dash away.
In Maros?
Maros.
Oh God, man, why make you do that? You should have just take out the money and just give me back my ID.
One thing, call my bad man. I can go lick off your brown in face. You make run me down another day. My bad man run the place. Run everywhere about here. Lucas.
Lucas?
Yes.
How you know him from?
My bad man that
Are you
for
baby father?
years.
You say for your baby father.
No
That
question me.
You know if you're going to ask, you know, because I'm not doing nothing, I just ask a few little questions. But please can, Lord God, you couldn't just, please can show me where Maros take. Because maybe I can go send somebody in.
We are on a bush run.
Me then wash
on
off
a back
and
road.
me put it for dry. Because I need my ID, me in a
On
big
a
problem.
back road.
Back road.
Yeah, one way for going.
I don't know them kind of road. I don't nothing big back. I pay front road me take. I don't like.
Really, this you call me about? Lift up from around here. Lift up, man.
Michelle, when I call you phone when I can't get you. No, me no no problem. You know, so I don't pick trouble with people. You see the same girl we take with my handbag? She gone with ID and everything in there, passport, TRN, NIS, everything. Me want them to use. You know, so me see the girl yesterday. And me just ask her, please, just give me back my ID, TRN and them. You know them important documents, me need them. You know so we have to have them to do any little important thing. No, she not give me. You don't know why girl tell me say how she throw them in a Maros. Me don't know what me I go do now. Look for sick name Maros. Be muddy water, dirty water. How me I go get back that? Then there's something must soak and all kind of something they know. What me have to go through all of them and process it again to go back through and go look both them over. That hurt me so much. But you know me scared because I know one thing. You don't know so before a girl walk away. Eh? Yeah, girl. Before she walk away, she choke me in my face. No, I'm not lick her back. No, me can't, you know, me can't bother with doing something. I'm just all pray about the idea. Me can't manage it. What do you mean if I'm sure I'm in trouble? You know if me that walk and time in people? Me ask her for my documents then. The girl choke me in the face. Simple. Alright. What make sure say? Make sure you see you. Make sure you see when you're there yard. I don't want to hear that. Make sure you see when you're there yard. Me see you. Because I have something to tell you. Alright, here. Credit are done, girl. You love too much long talking. Alright. Yeah, man, yes. Alright, cool. Alright, man. Michelle. Michelle.
May I come fit? What kind of burning issue you have on the phone, so? Faith, what you say you have to tell me?
Michelle. You know, say me a friend for a long time, Michelle. I don't really want to tell you, but two way I come from far, I have to tell you. I'm not going to keep this.
What's that telling me now?
You know, say the girl, Keisha. Same girl we take on my bag, man.
The same one when me run down on the road?
I never know her. I don't know what she name. I find out that she name Keisha. Her right name is Keisha. You know, say the girl, they bat me up. After me go to her and simple say, I just ask her, please, if you can just give me my ID.
So Faith, you go to her and not call me? You really go to her, Faith, and don't call me? You lick your head.
I don't really go to her, you know. I pass and Sarah stand up at one bar, drink. It look like a boom. I don't know why in there, but the color it look like boom. Remember me they tell up on the phone. Girl, such a me see her over there now. Me want my ID. Me can't do without my ID. One man just tell me, say, go on over there, you know, and me go approach a girl nice, you know. Me just simple say, I can't get my ID because I want it. Remember me tell her for a long time, so my family might send money for me. Me can't collect it through the girl of my ID.
So why you never just make them send it to me? I would have pick it up for you, you know me not rob you.
Michelle, you know me better than that, and you know my family them for a long time. They not go want to send no money in nobody else's name but mine.
That's true, because they don't trust people.
Right, they know what go on and what it go down between them and some people already. But listen to me and say now, put long story short. You know say, the girl will make me in a desperation right now. In a needs and want say can have my ID. She not take both in this and tell me about how me a bad man bad man named Lucas.
Name who?
Lucas. You know Lucas?
Faith,
Yes,
you know,
sure.
remember say Lucas my man name? You know, remember say Lucas at them man there?
Look here now. I know what your man name. I know your man good me your friend. But remember say enough people can have the same name. So when she
true.
say it, me still not think say is your man.
Cause I can't.
But
Lucas can't give me one.
No, I don't think of your man. Remember say you can name Faith and me name Faith. Yes, so I'm not tell me if you go in an argument with her. I go see your man in an argument with your man. Because remember say more than one person can have the same name. But if you see what she did go on, like I said, she approved something to me. Like she want tell me something she can't tell you. You understand? Like she did give me one message. So that's why me I kind of look back and forth in it and I wonder. I wish Lucas in the talk about. If she have one Lucas for herself or a fear Lucas. I don't know what happened.
You know, me have to go meet with her. Because then again, I don't think Lucas. No, Lucas could have never do that. Lucas know me. Lucas know I'm a cook.
So why what? No, me not understand. Michelle, me go to the girls in the ID. No man, take this thing serious now. Me not say nothing to worry nobody, you know. Me just a, friend and friend we can talk. Me just a simple ask the girl about my ID and she come bring about Lucas to me. No, look into it. Me and your friend. Me they talk to her about my ID and she they talk about man named Lucas. Why she a tell me about Lucas? Me they ask her see my ID, she a tell me about Lucas.
A badness she a try put fear in her ears so me don't come back to her. Girl! That.
Me not even did remember. Before she choked me on my forehead. You know what she say? Oh, you think the other day oh you make your friend come run me down and whatever. All that she have in her head. My man tell me say it makes she choke me.
That girl they want somebody there to you know.
And that she didn't tell me.
She don't know me now. Ask me
you know what me did want
to go to church and me I try put on badness.
Please can put it down, nobody take up your back. You see me put it down, me no want, me not say never, but guess what? Me not say me not go take up your back, but me no want take up your back, but me have to try if you not take up your back. You understand what I say? Because you see, when you try to serve God, you can't do it by yourself, you know?
True.
You have to ask Him to help you and you the strength. So my friend, you're like a sister to me. I'm glad that you did come at church with me. I'm going to have to come back again. Remember that makes you go on. Maybe a different look at you at that. Yeah? So anytime we go back at church again, no, you have to come. You know, see the pastor when they go on.
Look here, Faith, right now my head stop function. My heart, look, me I wonder who that little dirty girl there, which Lucas she talking, you know. Faith, me I wonder, you know. Because she work for me there, you know.
Michelle, what you say about your heart? You say your brain not function.
Look here, my heart just a go so.
Oh God. Faith, just pray about the situation.
My nerves are go bad.
No man, look here. Listen to me, Faith. Me and your friend, me no want you to put yourself in a no problem. Just talk to God about it.
It look like something wrong with your brain. Talk to which God?
God.
You see God I walk and talk to nobody?
Stop it, not talk like that.
God stop walk earth.
Shh, tap it. You sin when you say certain things. It's like you're blaspheme. Don't do that. That's why you read the Bible, you know.
You sin when you tell me to talk to God.
You not talk them kind of way because God don't like ugly. Don't talk them kind of foolish.
So me ugly?
No, me never say you ugly, but what the words when you come out of your mouth very ugly. So you need to stop. You see it, if you come to church with me long time, and you just start, you know. That's it. Me know so you can't just change in a one day. But gradually, you can take time and change. Nobody see her and say nothing to her.
Yeah.
Then, Michelle, you really take it too hard? It's not your man alone named Lucas.
But the fact that you say Lucas and you mention Badman. As so much Badman could have named Lucas?
Then, Michelle, the fact still remain. The girl did not attack you and say me there with your man. So, all you are going
you know, I done this conversation and wrap up this year, man, because
I say you love that man there?
how many money you talk about?
Oh, sorry.
Every bad man give them woman money.
Remember saying in my neighborhood, the people in the there, they had this one. I'm good that me did come tell you. Me I run home, you know. Me just want you know. You understand? Anyway, no bother. Michelle, me know you stay, you know. Just hug me up, man, and stop and think. Then me kind of sitting there and stop thinking negative. Little more. Here?
I know, me and Lucas go through. I know everything me tell you in the face. Me think them did that babe, you know. Me think them did that babe.
Michelle, go man, you still attack. Just figure about the argument, no man.
Go on.
Go on in back because.
Go on, me lucky get.
Alright.
Wait, you know something almost dirt somebody else because of the same Lucas.
Me
I can't hold you.
Me understand. How are you, sir? Take care.
Now she is like your shadow. Badman's girl. Badman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Badman's girl, Badman's girl, Badman's girl. Her friends,
Hello?
her family.
You know one girl named Keisha?
Who? Who? Keisha? Me no know Piers. Me no know no Keisha. What are you talking about?
Oh hell no, Lucas, don't bull me. Don't bull me, Lucas. Don't bull me. Look here, don't make me shout.
What kind of thing you say I come to me with, man? Listen to me, me not talk to you about it sitting here already. They must listen to me, they must waste of time. I cannot call my phone. Go no Keisha. I don't know no Keisha.
Well, this name Keisha attacked Faith this evening and a shout and whatever, but that's not my point. My point is that she's saying that she have a bad man friend named Lucas. Now Lucas, so it could be a coincidence for somebody named Lucas and as a bad man?
Listen to me, man. Calm down, man, and stop the foolishness.
So you have a twin now? You have a clone? You know I'm not no long talking with you. Just come off of my phone. Come off of my phone. What you mean about don't shout at you?
What kind of style? What happened?
Oh, you pick on the car.
Me? Lord God, you know say, remember me call up on a situation other day and tell you say one brown girl and one rasta girl run me down. And them threaten me.
I mean, they threaten you.
I the brown girl threaten me and tell me say anywhere she see me, she go lit me down and she go kill me.
Listen to me, Mama. You better listen. If you're not them people, just leave them alone. Here, just take the other side of them because you can't manage the problem.
After me,
Listen, man, you listen to me now. I don't want to me and see a thing mash up, you know. I love a little thing when we are going with, you know. Here, just let them just stay far.
me not trouble nobody and them a threaten me.
Alright, sorry about that. Sorry to them actually. Because what's a woman in and them just a bit jealous. I'm glad you always hold a composure. Because I know you're like a fiery, you know. You know, you're like a bad girl. You know what I mean? You jump and a girl you forget, but me don't want that. You know what I'm saying? And the next thing is the bag where you take us from the woman. Sorry about those girls, no.
You should leave the girl no, you know man.
Listen to me now, man. I want other thing, you know. I would say, if anything we say a law. You know what I'm saying? So just care about what girl know. And then I don't need to talk about this again. I mean, when I tell you something, I'm the only one there, so link me.
Yeah?
Alright.
Long time when I get no fellowship and
Alright.
yeah, it's far today. Yeah, just really scope it out now.
Alright, no underwear, okay.
Hola, Keisha. Keisha. What you doing, Keisha?
What do you mean what you doing, sir?
Keisha, I'm tell you this, Keisha. I'm a pitney there.
Which pitney?
What mean say which pitney, Keisha?
Yeah, mine a pitney?
What mean say me man pitney? Me no send money when me can, Keisha. You don't know say thing go.
My pitney alright.
We pitney alright, so that no?
No, my pitney alright.
So because me not did every day, that means say I know my pitney again?
I know you're a pitney.
Alright, Keisha, you are going. See? Me a call her because it's about time now. You understand, say we need to get back together. You understand me? I say I don't want no joke thing. Because I guess I know. You see me like catch your hat right there, so. You understand? Just to make sure so me can fit in your perspective. You understand me? I say Keisha.
Get
so,
back together. Look how long me tell us me and you done.
What you mean so we done? We can't
We
done.
done.
But you say me not fit the standard. That you tell me?
But there with a bad man now.
We,
Look how long me tell us we done.
Keisha, we can't done, Keisha.
Let me make me live my life now.
What you mean live a life? Me I make you live a life, of course. But you need to live a life with me. And me and you need to live life together. Which bad man that you talk about?
There with a bad man.
Why bad man here? Because no bad man in the place. I mean only bad man in the place.
That's how you feel.
Hmm?
But the bad man I him run round as a locust.
You there with Lucas?
Yes.
Lucas from...
Yeah. Tell you a bad man, me want.
Mama, really Lucas I get it from, Mama. And Lucas I make I get the front now. I can't believe that. Out of everybody else. Exactly, I can't deal with that.
Alright, you know, allow me make me live my life.
Yo, let me tell you something. Lucas shoot off of me, you know. Lucas shoot off of me round stuff. What me I try to forget is just a little work. And he tell me say you got to deal with Lucas. Lucas again. Ah, jeez, I'm famous. Mama, tell me say a joke here, man. Tell me say a joke. Just look for me and tell me say a joke here, man. A joke.
I'm a man.
You man now? You know say Lucas have a woman now.
I don't care.
You don't care? Lucas have a brown man, you know. So you have to go bleach to step up to your thing if that's the case. Who want to live in yard? Where you live? You live with him? Eh?
I go and come.
What do you mean you go and come? You go? Eh? What do you mean say you go and come? What kind of go and come business?
I know him brown man because she threatened me other day.
She threatened you?
Yeah.
Somebody can call me. I'm supposed to be the one for defend you, you know. I bet you call him. You call him?
Yeah, I tell him everything already.
Jeez, I'm pretty much. Alright,
He
you
said
are
that can't mash up a relationship.
So that you really are that they say there? That the kind of lifestyle you want?
Yes.
Went, go, come and go.
Yeah.
Alright, Keisha. Remember say that the life you choose now. So when you pick the group, when Phil pick the group, and you don't make me see him, don't make him feel like I'm me the bad man, you know. Cause you left, you know. Cause you claim to me a bad man. I'm a bad enough. They look at Lucas, you really there with? It's alright. Maybe can see me pick the one. Cause police may go call for if I come to the case. Cause I want to see me pick me. It's like you go on like you know what I mean in your life. Me call police, I make police come take this thing in control. You go out with the sexy self. Call police and make police come deal. But I thought me call my mother answer. Yeah, mommy. You want to know something just a Keisha a while ago? You know, never believe say Keisha I walk on the street I go and like say him no want to live nowhere. Look here, man. Drive around, man. Go on like say no want to live nowhere. Because guess something now? Me I try to be a better person, you know. Me I try to work it in a one way where she can understand say I want to be there for both she and the youth. But she claim say the youth are not for me. So me even consider that also. Me have to go maybe take some DNA test or something. Yeah, that she tell me. So me no want no say me a dirty man again, you know. I'm in workless and me not take care of my youth and all these things. Me no want no tell me that. You understand me I say? Me no want no do that again. So no understand say this a route me I take now. If you no say new woman in that place, is a new lifestyle. Yeah, of course. Yeah, Keisha says she have a new man and he's a bad man she want. And you don't never believe a auto or not even call his name. But Lucas in name, mommy. Alright. What you say? Come for dinner? Yeah, me come for dinner. Where you cook? Okay, alright. Alright, mommy. Me see you later, mommy. Alright. It's a Keisha she. It's a Keisha she. It's alright. Can't believe Keisha get Lucas in front. Alright. Hello, house, yeah? Come check your woman later and see what happens. Wait, think you done? You shoot off of me? Shoot off of me? Yeah, pull out a little bit.
Hello? Where you get my number? Okay, sorry about that. Number that you don't have to tell me who get your number. Anyway, me can't get back my bag, please. Yeah. When me fi come meet you? Okay, same place at the bar there, so. Me not question you. Me just say for same place at the bar, cause how me I go know you say me fi come for your bag. Which part me I go come to you for the bag? Alright. What time me fi come out there? Alright then, thanks.
Which bag?
You tell me to come for your bag, so I me come for.
Lucky me get the phone call if you get the bag because you would even get back the bag yeah.
You feel say, true me I got church. A matter of fact, you feel say, church people and all. Now we bust your ass. You think that you see me from the other day and they take away my things and I bad me up. Me afraid of you. The whole I want to take church people for idiot. That's what I want to change my life. You understand? Because you don't know me girl before me go in a church. Me a mad somebody, me crazy. Me no ramp with people. You kick me, you chop me. Well, tonight you not go so. Give me this. How you feel like? Hey girl, you know so me ring off your face. Girl, take it. Michelle, you can come check me over the park? Yeah, I want to talk to you. Hurry up and come because the evening I get late. Yeah man, hurry up. Alright. You already there on the road? Okay, that's good. You're there close. Yeah. Alright, cool, yeah.
What one, Faith?
My dear, I've got news for you.
That sounds like a good news.
Girl, I tell me, I gotta tell you about it. You know, say. Me get a phone call, right? And after the phone call, me ask the little dirty girl, God forgive me and pardon me for the talk in word of Jesus. But
Look like them and make you turn back.
me get mad today. Crazy, mad.
Radical.
Head no good. Sick. Girl, me go to the little dirty girl for me handbag.
That's right.
ID, password, everything.
That's my friend.
But when me look in there, she thief out the money. But me not care about it. Me get back my ID. Listen to me. You know what? She full of chat. I want a little dirty idiot coward girl for a long time. But you see, to me in my church, me just want to keep calm.
But you couldn't hold it no
But me
longer.
can't hold it no longer.
What you do?
Girl, just one time I chuck that in that face and lift up that 5 feet and put it around and kick that in her body.
What you say?
Yo, I know nothing normal.
Christian get upset.
Yo, the girl get me head sick. Just kick that in her body and walk well
I
like
hope
that.
you not lie you tell me in a face.
Well, look
Then
at
again, the expression, you couldn't fake it. You
a long
couldn't never
time me
fake
and
that.
friend. I told you not ready to come out of sin and me say me I go give me life to God. Me change.
I remember say you bring me into it, you know.
But you know what? Michelle, me not understand them people here. They feel say true you go to church. You are idiot. And then, you know, then take you for one piece of idiot.
She don't understand what you put on.
Liberty come through carelessness and me not play with people. Actually because I want change, but guess what? You know say me beat her up and me don't happy about it, you know?
Why you not happy about
Me
it?
not happy about it. Me just glad say me get back my ID. Actually the girl diss me too much time. Me allow the girl to style me too much.
Too much, man.
To me say me I go change my life, you know? And me don't want to be the same person. And I want to be the better one and the bigger one. The girl style me. She this, she that, she everything to me that's bad. But me couldn't hold it. I swear.
But Faith, are you up in know? So you can't make no girl take step on you because they do it today and then get with them and do it tomorrow and do it again and do it again and do it again. So I'm glad you deal with her. Right now I'm mad and should not pick up the body.
No say that. You know why it reached so far? Me have it to you so. Me couldn't take it no more.
You run over.
And if I didn't put a stop into it, this girl would have continued with it even though she give me the bag.
That's right.
But you see the people them, we out there in the world, we not come in a church yet, they need to stop take church people for idiot.
I know that.
Because me, the whole of we a matter of fact, did out there in the world, in a sin. Me, left from out in the world, say me want come out of sin and go in a church. And the devil send that girl to come torment me. But tonight, when me go home, me don't ask God to forgive me if go fight her. Because me never wishfully, mean for do it, you know.
But I bet she never do it again.
Me never mean for do it. You understand me? But this girl provoke me too much. Me can't take it provoking. Every minute the girl see me provoke me. In take me bag, in do me this, in do me that. Me can't take it no more.
You must set him
You
for
know,
you.
say, Michelle, me know say we are call me idiot in your mind, you know. But you know, so when me see her in my mind, tell me if you go tell her, say me sorry, say me fight her. Cause me never want to do it.
You idiot. You really are me. You mad? I should have made it there. I should have been there, because you know, it wouldn't be anything nice.
We never, but when time we say we come out of the world and go in a church, we're not supposed to
Exclude me. Exclude me.
Me and the other people then we want change our life. When we say we come out of the world, come out of sin, we want come out of sin. We don't come out of fully yet, you know, but we they try and want change our life. You know, say when people come in and want to do it, the devil send them out, we know better, we not in no argument with them, we walk away from trouble.
Send them back to the devil.
I'm sorry, say me beat her up, and you did they talk to me and they listen. They not even ask me say if I chew me get it back, see that?
I'm glad you get it back. But talking this and talking that. You see? You see all the one Lucas?
How Lucas do?
Last night after me call him, you know, him come up, cause me hang up phone on him. Me have to hang up on him, can't get me upset. He come over about sorry babes and me and the girl, you know, and him a try to explain. Me not make him explain himself, cause look here, me no idiot. But still, me a behave myself and me a go and settle until me get my facts straight. You see when me get my facts straight, me and him and that girl there. You see, what she do you and the fact say me suspect her now, what you tell me last night.
Michelle, stick up in. Stop judge people. Even though she take away my bag and style me and do me them things there. Me not like what you say. Me not hate her. But you see what you can't prove. Don't assume people like that.
So you're deaf, you know, you say me away from the facts.
Yeah, but you act like I say you want in an argument with few man sake of other woman and you're not sure what you talk about.
Well, me suspect him and me know say him bad from morning, so he must have do something. And anything when me suspect, anything me feel so go so, is he there go so or in here go so. And most of the time
Michelle, you listen to yourself? You say you know say the man bad from morning and you still there with him after so much years.
Because
and then I complain. And no, you go contact about it.
You know I don't. Because you look like say you call me idiot. I'm sick of me tired.
No. Michelle, don't get me wrong. You are my friend. You understand? But when you can prove it, Marco, me never say him and she not there. Me say you must can prove it first before you take up things in your hand and go put yourself in a problem. And that me say. If you can't listen to your friend, me and you no friend, me I tell you the right.
Babe, I want to go home. I want to beat. My body has scratched.
A long time me and friend and me know so you're afraid of what you no beat from morning.
The shipment center. Just listen.
last time, I know see you shoot off of me, I know see you under the influence. See? Oh, you have a pen. Pull on the pen, pull on the pen. Pull on the pen, then I shoot you. Pull on the pen, pull on the blessing. Eh?
I mean what, yeah.
You know what? You know important right now. Listen to what me have to tell you. Say. Don't make me shoot you. Pull on the pen. As a matter of fact, stand over this. Over this, over this. Come on, know why you don't understand. Say, hey, I could have killed a long time if I want to kill you, you know. The gun loaded. You understand what I say? Yeah, so listen to this. Your man supposed to give you even more money than what you think because what you have to what you have? You don't trust the gun?
No, put it on the bed.
Alright, I'm gonna see the gun right now. See? So just relax. I'm gonna talk for a minute because we don't have much time. You're a man, they will feel me woman. You understand me I say? Only if you understand what I'm going. Me only come myself to see if I can work out stuff for them. If you can't work out, you can't work out, man. Just shoot you and done. So tell me what you're up to.
No.
Eh?
No, that.
No gun?
No.
Talk to me, no, because seriously, me talk about
Just
business.
drop the gun under the bed.
No, the gun not going on bed. This is going to stay right there, but me keep it right there, just to have a conversation with you.
But if you have the gun, you're not going to have conversation with me.
Listen to me, I said, I don't have much time, right? I'm saying to you that you're willing to work and listen to everything I've said to you because your man ain't soon dead. As a matter of fact, he in a big problem on the street. Because he not share the money. You get enough money? He might carry big money come give you. Eh?
I'm telling myself I have because business bad.
I'm tell you, that's how I'm tell you, so what you believe. You understand me I say? Listen now, for your man, Lucas, him there with my woman.
Which woman?
My woman?
What your woman name?
My woman named Keisha. Keisha, one little black girl.
What?
Yes, Keisha for my woman. See? So I don't know if you never know before or you know. You sound like you know before, you know? You ain't know? Talk to me, no man, fast. We don't have much time, you know? Yes. So listen to me, I want me to work. Because right now, it's all about the business. Your man now share the money. And if they gonna kill your man on the street, you not gonna get no benefit. So me I work with you for you get benefit for get some money.
You can provide security for me?
Me your security. Me can be your security. All you need to do is trust me. Anything you make, 50-50. You understand? Me just want to know so you can work with me. I want you to get money and I want me to get money. And my revenge, me know you want to know what is my revenge. Because the man deal with my woman. Me want woman, me baby mother.
And your woman deal with my man?
Yeah, so you are going. Me have to give me number. See? You have a pen over here already. Willing to stop me. When you use the pen now, have good use. And write my number down. See?
You write it down.
You write it down? Alright.
What time I can call you?
This, you can call me anytime. I work on a chicken me a jerk.
Put on the pen.
Call me.
And go on. Go on out back way.
You see, if you call me, I understand you're serious. My mama could have shoot a long time. See, gun loaded.
Me no shopkeeper, me no trust no man.
Alright. So, my name is Butcho. See?
Butcho.
Butcho, my name.
Butcho.
No, Butcho. Butcho.
Butcho.
What make you keep and say Butcho? Eh? I'm Butcho myself. I'm the one.
Alright.
You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone. But happiness is a light that shines from within. Only your heart knows the difference.
Yes, Faith. Yeah, man, me there down at the little board shop. Yeah, with the board gate. Just, yeah, yes, across from the gate. Yeah, man, hurry up and come. Me have one whole heap of something to tell you. Man, bossing, come. Look here, we can't hold the conversation too long. When you come, me give you. It's juicier when you're on spot than over phone. You can't talk over phone, so then catch people. Alright, Miguel, alright.
Michelle,
Magwan, Faith.
you alright?
I see you reach quick. My God, you're never there far.
I said that again, me reach fast. So what going to do now?
One piece of hullabaloo in my house today.
I lie.
Me sit down and write. You know, so me always I make me little notes and so I make about to do for the week. Man bossing for me. I don't remember what him name. Buthro. Him say, him girlfriend are the same girl we did lick you down pan road and take away your bag. The same one that me did run down Keisha. Buthro and Keisha did. Buthro broke into the house. Lick down Lucas down there. Come to me say he knock out cold. When me go downstairs it was true. Me say Faith, I frightened till my tongue grow here.
They no most frightened.
Right now, me still shock. Me shock same way. Me still a tremble.
You shocked, you know, see me dumb.
You dumb struck.
Hmm.
Right now, me and the man Buthro, we're gonna try and make a deal to see how me can get money out of Lucas. Because it now go down so. Lucas really did a cheat for me with Keisha. And I must find her, look at a girl there. I'm going to broke her up when I see her.
Well, now you can prove it, say that same girl did it with your man.
Mm-hmm.
You see, if you're ready for dirt her, don't ask me no question, me ready.
So Christian turn back?
Hoy, nothing about that talk about that, don't go there. Me and you are friend, and friend will always be there for friend.
That's true.
What me say?
Friend for always be there for
Especially that little dirty butterfoot girl there.
Mm-hmm.
We can style me and take with me back. See me bag here. She thinks I'm an idiot. Me get back that member say me did tell you. She think me an idiot can't trick me, tell me how in dash me bag in a maros. How what she feel like. She don't know who should I play with. That the girl there make me have to get on my wrong side. You know, see me tell you how me deal with her. Very rough.
Right now, me
I
tell you.
want all our man, you see. What you are going to do with him?
No, you can't trouble our man. Because me and him, I forgot sort out some deal 50-50 and get money off of Lucas. You know, hear me say? And who knows, we might end up in a relationship because she take my man, she thinks that this I go so. You know me, revenge is my best friend. You know me, forgiveness is a sin.
Yes, good girl. What you just say?
Me, I go take back our man, I take for take.
You are going to take back our man?
Mm-hmm. And I must find one
No,
for
me
you
no
too.
say me your friend.
Then the
A
you
girl
teach me
this
now?
you, she have to get missed. And you don't know say me your friend already. You see, anytime you get the money, it's another plan we have for that boy there. That boy there too bright after you sit down in yard and washing dirty clothes then pressing clothes, keep him clean. He might give you bun.
Hours and night in
No,
come
but
in.
you can't get bun, you know. Don't get me wrong, you can't get bun. But it's the type of girl we ain't go give you bun with. You know see the type of girl.
She for bramble.
You know what? I run late, you know. And
we can.
You go on the next ends.
Yeah.
So if I nothing call me. Because you don't know, say, you know, me no play.
Because we have to watch back now.
Okay.
And we are ladies in the
If
street.
I anything, if that girl try to attack you, call me. And if your man try to attack you, call me. Because me did it for you right through.
You
friend for life.
You put on church and take up that badness.
What me say, friend for life?
Friend for life.
You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone, but happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah. Only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Badman'S Girl, yes. Badman'S Girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul.